once it is open, the top side is for the memory card and the bottom side is for the battery, and once you close it, just slide that lock off. But this is the place where you plug in the aux and mic. On the top there is a flash, you just lift it up and then it's all manual. This is the case in which the lens comes. It is all secured and it's closed from both the sides, so it's a standard 14 by 55 mm. So you just need to make sure you locate that red dot on the lens, and the cover is just anti-clockwise, open it up, and once it comes to the red dot, just pull it out, and when you want to put that lens on the camera, just press the side button and then rotate it anti-clockwise, and just find out that red dot on the camera as well as lens, and then make sure they are aligned, and then turn it clockwise, and you will hear a click sound. And if you want to undo the lens, press the side button and anti-clockwise, make sure red dot is in front of the red dot, and then it will be opened. Now for the front of the lens, you just press on the locks and pull it out so it comes with a brand new battery and a Canon strap. So the camera comes with its original strap. You just need to feed it through both sides of the camera and it's all good to go. To install the battery, just slide left the button and just make sure that you align the metal part of the battery with the holder itself, and you will just need to push the battery inside. There is one white shutter on the left side, that's kind of a lock for the battery. So all you have to do is you just align the battery with the metal bits. So when you will push the battery inside, that lock will go up, and when the battery is all the way inside, the lock will come down. That means it is locked. So see, right now I'm pressing the battery inside, and when it goes all the way to the end, right now it went down. It means it is locked now. So to undo it, just lift it up and then pull the battery outside. That's on the mechanism for the battery. So your next step after installing the battery will be to install the memory card. I do not have right now a memory card, that's why I did not put, but the memory card, so this camera takes an SD card, it does not take the micro SD card. So once you have the SD card ready, it will go on the top side of the battery, and to install it, you will see on the side near the memory card slot that there is a photo that tells you in what way do you have to install the memory card. So once you install the memory card, you just need to push it all the way inside, and then it will clip on. It means it will lock in and it will hold it there, and to release the memory card, it's a push to release mechanism. So once you push the memory card inside, it will come out.